Replit's interface has evolved over the years, but downloading your full project or individual files remains very simple. Here's the quickest way to get your code onto your computer. First, go to replit.com and navigate to your apps or projects. From there, select the specific project you're working on. On the right side of the screen, you'll see a list of all the files related to your app. If you need just one particular file, you can hover next to that file, click the three dots that appear, and choose Download. This lets you save that individual file separately. But if you want to download your entire project, look at the top of the File panel. You'll see three dots near the top. Click them, then select Download as Zip. Replit will package everything and prompt you to name and save the zip file to your computer. Once downloaded, simply unzip the folder and open the files. You'll be able to view, copy, or paste your code and keep it safely stored on your device whenever you need it. That's it to your whole project, backed up and ready to use offline.